Hello everyone, and welcome back to Practice Speaking English. In today's episode, we'll be talking about, do you eat breakfast every day? A simple but important question about daily habits, nutrition, and lifestyle. You'll learn natural English expressions and real-life conversation patterns about breakfast routines, healthy eating, time management, and personal choices. We'll join Emma and Ryan as they chat about their breakfast habits, favorite morning meals, and what happens when they skip breakfast. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English. And tell us in the comments, do you eat breakfast every day? Now, let's get started and enjoy this practical English conversation about morning food habits.
Hey Ryan, do you eat breakfast every day?
Hi Emma, yes, I usually do. I can't start my day without it.
Really? I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry.
Oh, I used to do that, but I always ended up feeling tired later.
That's true. When I skip breakfast, I get hungry by 10 a.m.
Exactly, breakfast gives you the energy to stay focused.
What do you usually eat in the morning?
I like oatmeal with fruit and a cup of coffee.
Sounds healthy. Do you make it yourself?
Yes, it only takes about 10 minutes to prepare.
Nice. I usually just grab toast or a banana.
That's still something better than skipping it completely.
True. Do you always eat at home?
Most of the time, yes. I like eating before I leave the house.
I usually eat breakfast at work. It saves me a few minutes.
That's smart if you have a tight schedule.
Do you ever eat breakfast at a cafe?
Occasionally, on weekends, it feels like a little treat.
Me too. I love weekend brunches with pancakes.
Oh yes, pancakes and coffee, the perfect combo.
Do you eat a big breakfast or a light one?
Usually light. Heavy breakfasts make me sleepy.
I agree. When I eat too much, I feel lazy.
Exactly, balance is key.
Do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
Personally, yes. It sets the tone for everything else.
I've heard that too, but some people skip it for intermittent fasting.
Right, that's popular now. Have you tried it?
I did for a week, but I got headaches in the morning.
Yeah, it doesn't work for everyone.
Do you drink coffee before or after eating?
After eating, coffee on an empty stomach feels too strong.
Same. I feel dizzy if I drink it first.
That's a common reaction. Food helps balance it.
Do you change your breakfast depending on the season?
A bit. I eat warm oatmeal in winter and fruit smoothies in summer.
That sounds nice. I do the same. Smoothies are perfect when it's hot.
Fresh fruit really makes mornings refreshing.
Do you ever eat leftovers for breakfast?
Sometimes, cold pizza can be delicious. Don't judge.
I've done that too. Breakfast pizza is underrated.
Exactly. No rules in the morning.
Do you ever skip breakfast on weekends?
Rarely. Even if I wake up late, I still eat something small.
I usually eat brunch instead, breakfast and lunch together.
That's perfect for lazy Sundays.
Do you eat breakfast before or after exercise?
Usually after. I prefer working out on an empty stomach.
Interesting. I need food first or I feel weak.
Everyone's body reacts differently.
Do you eat alone or with someone?
On weekdays, alone, on weekends, usually with my family.
That sounds nice. Eating together makes it more enjoyable.
Definitely, sharing food brings connection.
Do you watch TV while eating breakfast?
No, I try to stay away from screens in the morning.
Wow, that's discipline. I usually watch the news.
That's fine too, as long as it doesn't stress you out.
True. Sometimes the news ruins my good mood.
Exactly why I prefer quiet mornings.
Do you ever eat breakfast in bed?
Rarely, but it's fun on special occasions.
Like birthdays or holidays?
Exactly, a cozy breakfast in bed day.
Do you think skipping breakfast affects productivity?
For me, yes. I can't concentrate without food.
Same. My brain works better after eating.
Breakfast really fuels creativity.
Do you ever eat something sweet in the morning?
Sometimes a piece of chocolate or a muffin.
Yum! I love croissants with jam.
A perfect European-style breakfast.
Do you ever have traditional breakfasts from other countries?
Yes, I love trying Japanese and Turkish breakfasts.
Oh, I'd love that. Variety makes mornings exciting.
Absolutely, breakfast doesn't have to be boring.
Do you prepare breakfast the night before?
Sometimes overnight oats save me time.
I've seen those on social media. Are they good?
Delicious and easy, no cooking required.
Do you listen to music while eating?
Yes, soft jazz or acoustic songs.
I prefer upbeat pop music. It energizes me.
Perfect for waking up.
Do you take vitamins with breakfast?
Yes, right after eating. It's easier to remember that way.
I always forget mine. Maybe I'll keep them near the table.
Good idea. Visual reminders work best.
Do you ever eat just fruit for breakfast?
Sometimes watermelon or banana on light days.
That's refreshing. I love yogurt with fruit.
Great combo, tasty and healthy.
Do you like savory or sweet breakfasts more?
Savory. I love eggs and avocado toast.
I'm a sweet person. Pancakes, honey, and berries.
Ha, we'd make a balanced breakfast team.
Do you think breakfast affects your mood?
Totally, a good meal makes me feel positive and calm.
Same here. Skipping breakfast makes me grumpy.
That's the power of food.
Do you always eat at the same time?
More or less, around 7:30 every morning.
That's early. I usually eat around 8:30.
Everyone's schedule is different.
Do you prefer hot or cold breakfasts?
Hot, especially in winter.
I like cold ones in summer smoothies, fruit bowls, iced coffee.
That sounds refreshing and colorful.
Do you eat the same thing every day?
I try to mix it up to avoid getting bored.
Same. Repetition kills motivation.
Variety keeps you excited about mornings.
Do you ever skip breakfast when traveling?
Only if I have an early flight, but I grab something later.
I love hotel breakfasts.
Me too, they're always the best part of the trip.
Do you eat breakfast before showering or after?
After showering, I like to feel fresh first.
Same. Food tastes better when I'm fully awake.
Exactly, it's psychological.
Do you eat breakfast even when you're not hungry?
I try to eat a little something, even just fruit.
That's smart. Skipping too long makes you overeat later.
True balance keeps energy stable.
Do you think kids should always eat breakfast?
Definitely, it helps them focus at school.
I remember my mom saying the same thing.
Moms always know best.
Do you ever cook a special breakfast for someone?
Yes, for my family on weekends, eggs and pancakes.
That's lovely. Breakfast made with love tastes better.
100% true.
Do you think breakfast should be eaten slowly or quickly?
Slowly, enjoying the food helps digestion.
I rush too much during weekdays.
Maybe try waking up 10 minutes earlier.
Good idea. I'll try that next week.
You'll feel calmer, I promise.
Do you ever eat outside, like on the balcony?
Yes, when the weather's nice, morning air feels amazing.
I love that too. Breakfast with sunshine.
It's the best way to start the day.
Do you eat while standing or sitting?
Always sitting, I like to be mindful.
Same here. Sitting down makes it feel like a real meal.
Exactly, it's a small moment of peace.
Do you ever share breakfast photos online?
Sometimes, when it looks pretty.
Do you have a favorite breakfast memory?
Yes, pancakes with my grandma every Sunday as a kid.
That's sweet. I used to have cereal with my dad every morning.
Breakfast nostalgia, the best kind.
Do you think breakfast culture is different in other countries?
Absolutely, every country has unique morning traditions.
I'd love to try all of them one day.
That would be a delicious adventure.
Do you ever skip breakfast to lose weight?
No, I just eat lighter instead of skipping.
That's healthier and more sustainable.
Exactly, skipping meals rarely works long term.
Do you think breakfast affects concentration?
Yes, especially for students and workers.
I agree. My focus drops when I'm hungry.
Food fuels the brain.
Do you ever eat breakfast at unusual times?
Sometimes at 11 a.m. if I wake up late.
Brunch strikes again.
The best of both worlds.
Do you prefer eating alone or with company?
Depends on my mood. Sometimes quiet, sometimes social.
I love both too. Solitude on weekdays, company on weekends.
Perfect balance.
Do you think eating breakfast improves mood?
For sure, food equals happiness.
Especially coffee and toast.
The universal language of mornings.
Do you ever forget to eat breakfast?
Rarely, my stomach reminds me quickly.
Mine too. It growls like a bear.
That's the body's alarm clock.
Do you think breakfast habits change with age?
Yes, younger people skip more often, adults value it more.
Interesting observation. I've noticed that too.
Priorities evolve with time.
Do you eat breakfast before or after reading messages?
After, I like to keep mornings peaceful.
I'll try that. Fewer distractions.
It really helps your mood.
So, to sum up, breakfast every day?
Absolutely, it's my secret to staying productive and happy.
I think I'll start eating breakfast more regularly too.
Great decision, your body will thank you.
Thanks for sharing your routine, Ryan.
My pleasure, talking about food always makes me smile.
To our viewers, do you eat breakfast every day?
Tell us your favorite breakfast food in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
And join us next time for another fun practice speaking English episode.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Have a great morning, and don't skip breakfast.